In this video, we are going to make a function generator using a smartphone. Looking online, we can find many DIY kits that will work as function generators, but they lack a friendly user interface. We can use the power of the audio jack of our smartphone or a cheap Bluetooth receiver to create powerful signals using simple circuitry. Here are the items you will need for this build. 4 resistors, 2 20,000 ohm resistors and 2 180,000 ohm resistors, 2 TL081CP op amps, various jumper wires or insulated 22 gauge wires, a breadboard or perf board depending on how permanent you want your circuit to be, and 2 9-volt batteries and connectors for those batteries. You will also need an old headphone jack. This is the schematic of the amplifier used in conjunction with the smartphone. The input to the amplifier is here. These are the batteries, and the outputs are here. Using this schematic and the breadboard, you can have this circuit built in minutes. I laid out the components on some PCB software to be used in this configuration. Refer to the schematic for the values of the components. Here's the circuit I built on perf board. The input wires are on the left and the output wires are on the right. The app I am using as a function generator is literally called Function Generator and has an easy user interface. Let's look at the app working while analyzing the waveforms on an oscilloscope. Here is the Hantek scope screen and the function generator on the lower right hand side. As we can see, the scope is capable of producing sine waves, triangle waves, and square waves. The frequency can be changed from 1 Hz to 20,000 Hz with decimal precision. We can enter values or use the slider to change the values. There are nearly limitless possibilities when using this function generator. You have control over frequency, amplitude, DC bias, phase, and modulations such as frequency or amplitude. So I hope this has been an informative video showing how you can create a function generator using some simple circuitry and your phone.
You may be asking yourself, well, what's the point of this? Why not just use the signal directly from the phone? Well, there are 2 main reasons. The first one is you don't want to damage the output of your phone. If something were to go wrong, if you were to put voltage back in, or if you were to short circuit, it may cause damage to your phone's output. The second reason is that your phone is only capable, or at least my phone is only capable of producing 1 volt RMS, which means a peak-to-peak voltage of 2.8 volts. You may want to perform experiments or control circuitry that requires much higher voltage. For that reason, an amplifier will be necessary. Using this amplifier, we're going to explore the XY mode of the Hantek 1008 oscilloscope. We're going to be doing this in several different ways. The first way is just simply seeing the phase shifts between sine waves. And then we're going to go into impedance, where we're going to see how inductors and capacitors phase shift current and voltage, and how that can be analyzed using the XY mode of the Hantek 1008. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.